Debian 13 Trixie and Lmde 7 Gigi both build on the same Debian foundation, but they serve different audiences. Debian 13 is the classic powerhouse, a distribution known for rock-solid stability, massive repositories, and flexibility across desktops and servers. It's ideal for developers, sysadmins, and advanced users who want a system they can tailor to any environment, though its conservative updates and minimal polish mean you'll expend more time configuring. LMDE 7, on the other hand, is Linux Mint's Debian edition, layering Mint's Cinnamon desktop tools and refinements on top of Debian 13 that gives you Debian's reliability with Mint's user-friendly polished, better out-of-the-box hardware support, Flatpak integration, and a smoother desktop experience. The brutal truth is that Debian 13 wins for stability and universality, while LMD7 wins for usability and everyday convenience. Which one won depends on whether you want a server grade base or a polished desktop that just works.